What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very cool day. I've got something new to show you guys, and I'm sitting here a minute ago. It's probably, I don't know, it's probably 9 o'clock in the morning right now, maybe a little later. I get here at 8 o'clock in the morning, and today, this week has been a little bit, I'm gonna say quiet. We've done some work. I haven't posted a video since like Saturday of last week, and today is Friday, so I'm kind of itching to post, but I've got one video in the bag in there. I'm going to go ahead and edit today and put out for you guys tonight, which today's Friday, March the 21st. So I didn't think I had a bunch of stuff coming in today because I didn't have anything really on the schedule. So I had a job sold to a guy out of, I think it was Florida. I'll have to go in there and look. Anyways, it's not in this video, but I had a 2025 AT4 2500 drop off for a cognito lift and some stuff. So I'm excited about that. I had that video coming now. And then I have another customer from Arkansas. He's actually in Georgia right now for something, but work or something like that. But he's from Arkansas, which is where I'm from. So I thought it was pretty cool to see somebody from where I'm from come all the way here, which it happens from time to time. He's in the office right now. He just dropped off, and I'm sitting in his truck. And his truck is a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. This is the white color one. We're doing a leveling kit, some fuel wheels, and some Nitto Ridge Grappler tires, 34 inches, and some side marker lights for them. So stay tuned for that in this video, but I have to tell you guys something. I have to show you guys something. The customer just went over every bit of this with me and how he made this happen. And some of you who may be smart enough to see what he has done may figure this out. I wasn't smart enough to know what he did, and now that he's told me what he did, it makes sense, but he has kind of asked me to not tell you guys the secret because he likes the fact that he's the only one with this right now. So I'm going to show you. You probably see it behind me right here. Those are Bose headrest speakers. This is the coolest upgrade I think I've seen to the interior of one of these trucks. He just played it for me. And it's very nice, very loud. To be honest, they work good, but even if they didn't work, I mean, that just looks cool. Look at that. Look at that headrest. And just the fact that everybody's got the same interior in their Denali Ultimates, that would separate you from the pack a little bit, and that would look pretty cool. So I like that a lot, and I just wanted to show you guys that for him because he thought it was really cool. And he said he paid about $1,500, right? That's what I'm going to say. $1,500 is the price that he paid to make that happen. So if you guys are interested in that, and want to get it done, look into it. It's all I can say. I'm not the electrical guy. I'm not the interior guy. I'm the lift kit, tire, and wheel guy. So we're going to get started on this truck. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and give you a walk around the truck real quick, and then we're going to get started on it. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, so here's our beautiful truck. The lighting is horrible out here right now, but I found a good shadow to put it in so we can see the truck good. It is cold. It's almost miserably cold outside right now, and it shouldn't be. To me, it's March 21st. It should be summertime in my eyes, but right now it's freezing outside, so I'm gonna make this quick. That's why I was inside the truck filming that other clip. Truck looks amazing, very low miles. He has the factory color match fender trim already. That's amazing. We're gonna be changing those out today. We're going to be putting on a set of 34-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires, which are amazing all-terrain tires, and he has supplied for us a set of 22x10 fuel strike black and silver wheels. They're going to look awesome. It's going to be a little bit different of a video because we're going to be doing a little bit more offset wheel right here, and it's going to stick out a little bit. Right off the bat, I noticed that he has done the black 2500 badges. This came black from the factory in 25. This came black from the factory in 25. I believe everything else came that way. He has black badges on the side right here. The Denali Ultimate badge comes black like that already. So I see where he's going with the colors of it. It's going to look awesome. He does have that bed cover already on the truck. I just wanted to show you guys that. We sell these too. This is your tri-fold hard bed cover. We sell tri-fold, we sell roll-up, we sell retractable. There's a bunch of different ones that we do up here. So if you guys want that, I offer it. Ready to get started on this one. Super excited. Going to give you one more view of the headrest speakers so you can just kind of see it at a better angle of what they look like. They are Bose, which is what the rest of the sound system is in the truck. That's pretty cool. Interior is awesome in this truck. Brand new, still has all the stickers on it. Love to have one. Stay tuned, guys. We are about to get started on this truck, and it's going to look phenomenal. So for these GMC and Chevrolet 2500, 3500 HDs, you guys have been seeing these wheels pop up on a lot of the videos. These are in the chrome ones right here are 22 inch. We just got in our first set of gloss black 24 inch right here. I have the Denali cap in the wheel here so you can see that it works with it. These are on sale right now. I think they are somewhere around $600 a wheel for the chrome ones in 24 inch, and then I think about $500 a wheel for the black ones in 24 inch. I have a set of the chromes right here for you to look at, and the center caps in these are the ones that come in the wheels, but you can obviously put the Denali cap or the GMC or the Silverado cap in there, whatever you want to do. But I have a set of each in stock now. We got the 2025 Denali Ultimate ready. This is a beautiful truck. Absolutely love the truck. Customer's awesome. He's a very nice guy. He's from Arkansas. I'm from Arkansas. We hit it off really well, you know, with a conversation about that. We did something a little different in this truck than we usually do. And typically we do a factory offset wheel with a 35 or a 37, or a factory replica wheel that I have in 20s, 22s, or 24s now. Don't tell nobody. Or I lift them big and put like a 9-inch lift with 26s and, you know, 37s or 38s with real wide wheels and stuff like that. But this truck today got a SuspensionMAXX leveling kit, 285 55 22 Nitto ridge grappler, which is like a 34-inch tall tire, and a 22x10 fuel strike. This is a black and milled fuel wheel. It's a gloss black. It's a super beautiful wheel. It's a newer wheel. I think it's a year or two old at the most. The truck looks awesome. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you. I wanted to say I appreciate my customer for driving up here and letting us do the job, and wanted to say thanks. All right, here's our beautiful truck with that gorgeous gloss black on the Vader chrome. I think it's a good combo. It looks good together. We went over the color matching that he's done on this truck already earlier, and I showed you some of the interior and the speakers and everything that I thought was cool about it. But here's the overall presentation of the tire and wheel setup, right? 285 55 22 Nitto ridge grapplers with a 22x10 fuel strike wheel. Now, what's wrong with this picture? You guys are staring at that mud flap missing. I know you are, and I am too. Good thing about this is we didn't think that this truck was necessarily going to have the mud flap deletes. We were going to try to maybe trim a little bit of the bottom of the mud flap that was on there from the factory that was right here, but it didn't really work. I could have cut it probably and made it look somewhat close and good, but I was really nervous about this offset wheel, this negative offset, being too far out, and then whenever he turns, I didn't want that tire to hit that fender or that mud flap during like a dip or like a flex situation and bend the metal that you see right there. If you hit that mud flap hard enough, it'll bend that metal right there, and then you're just in a bad spot because the mud flap deletes won't even bolt in if you mess that piece up. So I thought it was safe to just leave it alone. I gave the customer the part number and the option for us to sell the mud flap deletes to him. I think he's just going to order them online and attempt to put them on himself, which is totally possible. It's not too crazy of an install if you've got the tools to do it. So anyways, apart from the mud flaps not being there, this truck is very, very nice. I love the way it looks. This is a good daily driving setup. He'll be able to drive it in the car washes and the drive-thrus and stuff like that, like normal. Let me know what you guys think about this setup. Do you like the replica wheels that don't stick out better, or the factory option, or do you like this aftermarket 22x10 with a negative, I think it's a negative 18 offset. It could be a negative 24 offset. I'm not totally sure, but they're close anyways between the two. Do you like the negative offset on the wheel, or do you like the flush finish that doesn't stick out of the truck at all? Leave me a comment below if you want, or call me 678-994-9180. I'm here all day, every day during the week to price you guys and set up these builds. I will try to I will put a price quote at the end of this video right after this clip if you guys would like to see how much this job would cost. And I think I'll go ahead and throw the mud flap deletes on there since I know it will need them with this setup. So I appreciate you guys watching the channel. I appreciate you guys leaving comments and also coming to see me with the sales, obviously. So have a good one, and thanks for watching.